In this video, I will show you how to compress PDF file size without losing quality. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Start by opening your desktop browser. Then, go to ilovepdf.com. On this page, you can view and explore various tools you need to work with PDFs. Now, go to Compress PDF as shown. This tool reduces file size while optimizing for maximal PDF quality. Once you're here, tap on Select PDF File to select the file you want to compress. You can also drop the PDF file here from where you saved it on your desktop. After that, go to the right panel and select the compression level you want. Then tap on Compress PDF at the bottom. Your PDF has now been successfully compressed. Now tap on Download Compressed PDF. Wait for it to download and then open it in your desktop folder. You can now open and view your file from here. And that's it. You can now easily compress PDF file size without losing quality.